Imagine if you are running a manufacturing line, a fleet of vehicles where you have a team of mechanics, and when they spot some defect like a cracked gasket, a leak, a broken seal. So what does that process look like? So usually mechanics, they will pull out a laptop, write the descriptions, take the pictures, and then submit it to the system for the replaceable item. It's very lengthy project. Using with the AI, what if they just take the picture of that item or the faulty defect, and then the system will analyze the image and then create some kind of recommendation and lodge a ticket within the system. So we will be doing this in PowerPlatform by using GLM-Vision model. So how it gonna work? So we would have a layer of applications. So we will be using Power Apps, Canvas application, a mobile-based application where the worker or mechanic spot a default item, faulty item, and then snap a picture and then submit it. That's it. Once it is being submitted, we have a flow which kicks in, takes the image, and then pass it to our GLM model, and then the GLM model return back all the recommendation, and then based on that we would just lodge a ticket into our SharePoint list, or it would be any system, but for this purpose we will be lodging it into the SharePoint. So basically what I did, I created two applications. So these are the two applications. One is Canvas application, and then one is the Power Automate Flow application. So what I'm doing is that I have multiple control over there, which is like at the moment it's not now hidden. So this is the camera control. This is my image when I take the picture from the camera, so it will appear over here. Then I have one button which is called the next page, and then over here I will show my results. So now once I will call the flow from the Power App, so this is where it lands. So I have like the two parameters, input parameters. One is image and the another one is the image file. And then if you see like I have this response, so where I like call to populate the response and give back to the Power App. So over here I'm parsing my JSON which I'm getting from the Canvas application. Over here I'm creating a file into the SharePoint, and this is the main part. If I just show you, that's this is the this is my URI. So I'm using the OpenRouter for my GLM vision model. So if you see like this is my authorization. So yeah, so this is my token keys, and then yeah, I'll make it I'll hide it and then this is the model and GLM 4.6. And if you see over here the analyze, so over here this is very important. So analyze this image for a machine, and where we are like prompting it that okay, analyze this image of a machine, and then see like is there any visible defect, leaks or damages, and return only the JSON object with two keys has defect and description as string. And then I'll just providing that's okay, it will be image, and then I'm putting my the content from my getting from my Canvas application of an image, and then I'm parsing the resultant which I got from the GLM as a response, and then I'll just put it into the, if there are multiple responses, so I just concatenating appending into my string variable, and then I will pass to as a response so that it will be available to my application. I've opened my PowerS application. Now let just me flick my screen. Yep. Now let me just look into, let me just take a picture. I think there is some issue with my in the engine. I'll just take a picture, snap a picture and submit. Let's see. Alright, that's good. Visible rust or corrosion on metal components, suggestion potential wear or damage. Thank you.